Hey guys, CGCM Kanji made a great tutorial to make this soccer ball, and he made it destructive, so I will show you how to do it non-destructive. We will start with adding this ecosphere. We will set up these subdivisions to 1, and let's see, 2, 5 should be enough, like that. Okay, so let's remove this one. You have this right now. I will add a bevel, like that. I will press K to go in vertex mode. I will press D to remove this, and S to change this. So maybe you want something like that. Smaller and bigger, like that. So I will try something like that. Okay. Right now I will add a subdivision surface. I will have this result. I will press 2 to see this. I will change the subdivision type. I will press F to have this result. I will press G to have this result, and S2, like that. You can even put S3 if you want. More subdivisions you will have, better the result will be. After, you can also add an edge split, like that, and after you can add a cast, like that. So just like that, as you can see, you can make something interesting like that. So, with this, I will add a solidify, like that. I will press 3 to be sure my solidify is correct. I will press F to not put the inside faces. And what I will do is to add a bevel now, so shift space, like that. And that's it. If I press 6, this is my result. I can play with the cast if it's too big. Make it more round, like that. And that's it. And this is just that.